Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The mistake of Sàngó and Òsún in living with their families. Pataken, sacred story. Sàngó lived with Òsún, and they were living with Òsún's family. Sàngó and Òsún had a business that was going well, but they began to have problems with Òsún's relatives. So, they decided to move in with Sàngó's family. As the days went by, conflicts began to arise between him and her, and also with Sàngó's family members. The problems kept increasing, and their business started to fail until they both ended up in complete misery. Sàngó had to venture out to other towns until he found out that in one of the towns he visited, there was an old man who was a babalawo, diviner. Sàngó went to consult with him. The old man performed osod, divination, and this odu appeared. The babalawo told him that the mistake had been moving in with his family, and that in order for his business to prosper again, he had to perform ebo, sacrifice, with all types of wild birds from the forest, so that his family could reunite in harmony, and he could live peacefully again with his wife. Sàngó did exactly that. His family came back together, and he was able to return to his wife. But this time, in a village far away from both families,